Every now and again you have like a party at home, don't you? It's like a party every day on holiday, isn't it? We knew there'd be pools, but there were just so many slides. I'm sitting there thinking, oh, I'll just have a little relax. And then they're up and down the slides. I just couldn't help it. The fun fair was actually the most amazing fun fair I've ever been to. Even the swinging chairs, which we've all been on a million times, none of us have been on them at that speed. Just went round and round and round, from ride to ride to ride. As a parent, you tend to get zero time for yourself because they are so occupied. We've had that time. What I like about a lodge is that feeling of space. It's all the joys of camping, but just with massive bonuses. In London, it's harder for the kids to play out. But here they're able to be free and be children. Amazing pools, amazing slides. We've been able to walk to the beach. There's stuff for little ones, teenagers, middle range. And plus we've had great food. That's a massive bonus for us on a holiday. Because we've been able to do activities that everyone enjoys, that's brought us together. It's been unforgettable.